Hello everyone, this is Mr. Max with another video. I wanted to show you guys this really cool way to study called Quizlet. But first I wanted to show you how to log in, and then after that use my note cards that I've made you. So the first thing is this looks much like what it's going to look like for you. We have some other different things over here, but Quizlet is going to be down here at the bottom. We're going to click on our Quizlet link, which takes us here. So we're going to have to sign up for free to request access. So I find the easiest way to do this is to hit continue with Google, and then we can sign in with any one of our accounts. I've already used my Amigos account, so I'm going to use my Becca account just to show you guys how it will look. So once we put in our passwords, it's going to ask us the month and the day with the birthday we were born. So I'm just going to throw in some examples. Let's say 1996. And then for this time, you guys should say that you're a parent, not a teacher, I think. So let's try that. And if we're going to sign up, this wants us to get a free trial. You do not need to do that at all. This should all be free. So we can ignore this and go to continue with Quizlet. It gets a little cut off, but up here on the right, it should say continue. So once we say continue, we're going to hit our 9th grade class. And now you can access the note cards I made. So we have one set. The way this works is I have taken most of what we've learned and put them into nice little flashcards on our list. So we can study in a few different ways. We can have flashcards, which gives us a definition, and then if we turn it over, it's the answer. So similar structures which have evolved from a common ancestor is our clue or our definition, and I would want you guys to know from that definition that our answer is homologous structure. I've made a lot of these, so other ones may look a little different, like what are 3 things all cells have in common? I want you guys to be able to know those 3 things. And our answer is proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. So lots of different questions that I can ask and different definitions that we've gone over, but all good information. Another fun way to learn, or to do this, is to hit learn. So it just got easier apparently. So we can set our goals. What is your goal for this set? So we want to have either a solid understanding or a complete mastery by the end of this. So I'm going to say complete mastery. And how well do we know it? We know some of it, I would say, or most of it, because a lot of this is familiar. So we always want to use the free version, so continue to free. So it should look like this. We should have our question, and then it will it will create the multiple choice for us. So what are our main functions of proteins? Are to catalyze reactions, transport molecules, and transmit messages. So if we get one right, we get a nice little smiley face. I'm going to get this one wrong, and it's going to tell us we need to study this one. So our term was this, our correct answer was this, but we answered this. So it'll let you go through each one. When you're finished with a set, it'll let you, it'll show you which ones you've got right and help you through the ones you need to learn more. So we can exit out of our learn. That's one way to do it. We can also use this write, where we can write things in. So if our hint is carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids, and we said macromolecules, and we submitted our answers, we said macromolecules. The correct answer is what are the 4 macromolecules. So you guys can determine if we were correct or not. You can say override if I was correct, but it's going to want this exact wording. I think that's a little silly. If you would have gave this to me on the test, I would have said you're good to go. So you can say override. Cohesion. So it's asking for the definition of cohesion. If we don't know, we can just put I don't know. Or there's even a nice little button up here that says don't know. So it will tell you the correct term, and then it will ask you to type in the answer. So the state of similar molecules sticking together. Awesome. So we're learning through writing them over and learning in a new way. So that's a fun way to do it. It also will tell us when we've learned all of them. So I am 2% finished because I got one of them correct. We can spell them. Oh, I have not seen this one. So we can maybe click on fatty acid. Oh, one second.